How to fix Windows stop error code 0xc00000e. 1. Use Windows automatic repair tool in its safe mode. 2. Repair corrupted files in Advanced Windows Safe Mode. To do so, run sfc or dism tools in the command prompt subsection. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-health-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 3. Rebuild BCD file in Advanced Windows Safe Mode. Commands include botrek/fixboot botrek/scanos botrek/fixmper botrek/rebuild exit plan B. Mark your disk as online. Commands include disk part list disk or list volume select disk hashtag online disk number 4. Reset the BIOS/UEFI. Configuration. 5. Reinstall Windows OS 6. Power off your PC and replace the CMOS battery. 7. Do a factory reset. 8. Power off your PC and check all physical device connections. 9. Enable Windows WHQL support setting in BIOS. 10. Update all your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.